Meaning of hairnet.
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 Hairnet. A hairnet is a small, close-fitting cap worn over the hair to keep stray hairs from falling into food or other products that require a clean environment. It is commonly used by workers in the food industry, healthcare, and manufacturing to prevent contamination. Hairnets come in various sizes, materials, and colors, and can be disposable or reusable. They are considered an essential tool in ensuring hygiene and safety in workplace settings. By providing a physical barrier between the hair and the environment, hairnets help to maintain cleanliness and prevent accidents.